Alright, check it out. I'm on another one of these stupid fucking trips. I feel like I've done this like 30 times, but I'm not editing them, so you've never seen it. But it's basically the same. Here we are, starting our adventure, aka Canada adventure. Woo! We're at the Starbucks. Once again, they're still not sponsoring me. I'm gonna talk to this dude right here. You can see his head in the middle of the window. See if we can hook it up with a little sponsorship. Maybe some free coffee. Maybe slip me an extra 10. Let me negotiate and I'll get back with you. Woo! Alright, check it out. At some point, coming up soon, we're gonna merge. I've decided this is rare. I looked on YouTube, you couldn't see a lot of videos of it. So we're gonna show you live how the merge process happens, aka how it's supposed to happen. First you drive past all these idiots who don't know how the word merge works. And then you get up to the front, and then you just kind of merge. So this blue guy, he's got an American vehicle, so he knows, fuck you, I'm not letting you in.
You did it right, one and one.
I'm talking about the Ford.
You're gonna have the zipper.
I'm talking about the Ford, the blue Ford.
I know, I'm saying you did it right.
I didn't ask you to be part of this tutorial.
All right, just edit this part out. Put along like, boop.
If you want to be in these videos so bad, you could make your own fucking videos.
All right, keep filming, keep filming.
I already missed the crux. We're already in. I missed the whole crux. Woo! Alright, update. Still on this damn road. More to come. Woo! Oh shit, we're currently exiting the highway. Where could we be going? I'm adding suspense. You hurry up. I'll show you in a minute. But right now, suspense. Woo! Check it out. The suspenseful surprise is we're getting gas. Woo! Alright, update. I don't know if I mentioned before, but we're going to Canada. I just figured I'd say that because you might go, why are you just driving on this dumbass road in the rain? The answer is because we need to go to Canada. It's the same dumbass road in the rain, except the rain is measured in Celsius instead of real units. Fix that. Shut up.
Freedom units.
Oh, yeah. That's better. That would be better. Except the rain is measured in... No, hold on.
No, you were Celsius.
Except the rain up there is measured in Celsius instead of in freedom units. Freedom units. All right, bye. Woo! Border crossing open 24 hours. Here you can see the sign. It says to Canada/US with the dots, aka the border. That means we're getting close. See you in a little bit. Woo! Alright, check it out. Welcome to British Columbia, aka Canada. Woo! Alright, update. I'm going to the Vancouver International Airport, or maybe I'm going near the airport, because you saw I fucking drove here. I don't need to fly anywhere, because I'm in a car. I'm not in an airplane. Anyway, here's some damn farmland. If you remember from the last video, which I haven't edited, so maybe you'll see it in the future, this is where I was accused, unfairly I may add, of potentially smuggling jalapeno peppers. They came from this area. I still don't want to talk about that, aka NSA. Let's pretend I'm still JK. Okay, BYE, that stands for bye. Woo! Oh shit, check it out. We're exiting the highway. Where could we be going? Nobody knows unless you just saw that sign, in which case you're a detective because you figured it out. Woo! All right, check it out. Usually we save the super century for later, but somebody, I'm not going to say who, but AKA it's not me, somebody's got to use the restroom. I mean, I'm just kidding. It's me too. Woo! Update, still walking around this Twassen Mills Mall. It's bigger than you'd think. Like, I looked at it from the outside and I went, oh, that's not that big. And then I get inside and I go, oh my God, that shit is huge, which is what my dates always say. All right, bye. Woo! Update, still orbiting this damn mall. Woo! All right, check it out. USA border, next right. But you know where we're not going? We're not going on, oh wait, I think we are going on the next right. We're not going back to the USA, but we are in fact taking that next right. Where we're going is to Nordel Way. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Nordel. That's a famous Canadian, John Quebec Nordel. He invented Calgary. Woo! All right, check it out. This is like residential. Like, I'm right in your backyard. If you're one of my Canadian subscribers. If you are one of my Canadian subscribers. Hey, fuck you, buddy. Hey, fuck you, buddy. If you are one of my Canadian subscribers and I am in your backyard, because you can figure out where the fuck I am, leave a comment in the comment subscription, aka whatever. Woo! All right, check it out. So our destination was at the Best Buy, which is apparently spelled the same in US and in Canada, so I can't call it the Best Buy Century. Woo! All right, so I'm at another Best Buy. Also, hold on a minute. I'm at another Best Buy. Also, Central City Mall in Surrey. It's central to everything, I think. I'm not really sure, but it's called Central City. I don't know if you can see it. Shout out to my Punjabi homie that just gave the thumbs up to the camera. Maybe I'll catch him a little later. Woo! All right, check it out. We're going to the TT supermarket, T&T. There's some stuff in Chinese or something. I don't know what that says. I bet it says TNT. It's dynamite. But this is not for sitting. Don't sit on this thing. That'd be bad. Got customer service. It's the best in Asian fresh. You want fresh Asians? Is where you come. This shit is super fresh. Look at all this stuff. You need Pockies? They got Pockies. You need 100s? Look, there's more hundreds than a bank. Woo! All right, update. Walmart number 2. Save money, live better, super century. Woo! Look at this shit. Look at this. Woo! All right, update. I don't know if you saw, like, because I don't remember if I recorded it. We're on the way out. We had to stop at the Tim Hortons, which is like the Starbucks in Canada, but it's Tim Horton because Mr. Starbuck never played hockey for the Flames, Calgary Flame. I don't know who fucking Tim Horton is or who he played for, but I think he was important. Anyway, I got a coffee. We're heading back, maybe to the USA, maybe to a third and final Walmart. Really, at this point, nobody knows. Woo! All right, check it out. We're on the road to USA, which means not Canada anymore, even though we're still in Canada, but we're going to USA. Right now, we're on 99, which is a very Canadian number. We just got to do a little TSA at the Peace Arch or whatever, and then we're going to be on 5, which is a much more American number, even though it should be number 1, because, you know, USA, number 1. Woo! Check it out. So that was a long, boring time lapse that you watched, and it was even worse for me because I was doing it in real time instead of in time lapse time. Anyway, you can see the sign coming up that says, "Welcome to Washington. It's for lovers," aka fuck the TSA. Woo! Update. The driver, aka Skinny Penis, is making a bunch of noise.
Don't refer to me like that.
You're in all the videos of Skinny Penis.
I do not consent.
Update, the driver, aka not Skinny Penis, making a lot of noise about the smells like farts, so I feel like complains it, flames it, something. You certainly can't say that on the video. You 100% cannot say that on the video. I gotta beep that. Update, beep out that horribly offensive thing that Skinny Penis just said. Beep that out too. Woo! Alright, update. So I'm in Burlington, Washington, and it smells like a homeless dude crawled inside of an animal's asshole, and then they both died and decomposed, and it's real fucking terrible here. So if you're one of the homies watching the video and you're from Burlington, Washington, you should fucking move, because goddamn it's disgusting. Leave a note in the comments or whatever as to why you are shut up. Shut the fuck up. Leave a note in the comment section as to why your stupid town smells like death, because I'd be interested to find out. Let me know. Woo! Alright, check it out. So we got mint and we got lettuce. I brought them back some Canadian treats. You should hear the sounds they're making. It's disgusting. Anyway, we had some fun. We had some time lapses, aka new technology. If you like that shit, you know, hit the subscribe button. Tell 3 of your friends. Tell them, tell 3 of their friends. I'll send you some Amway. It'll be fun. See you next time. Alright, bye. Woo!